Hello and welcome to Sharda e-learning. We are presenting educational video tutorials on mathematics part 1, and now we are covering our chapter number 1, which is a linear equation in two variables. We now have seen all the concept videos. Now we will cover the practice sets from our textbook. So practice set 1.1 and the question number 1 is complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are given as follows: 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. The problem is there is one error in this question because in the book they have written as plus 3y. Here they have written the plus 3y, which is actually should be minus 3y. So everyone should correct this error in the textbook. So after correcting the equation, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 is the first equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is our second equation. So what we can do is basically add these equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, so that we can cancel out the y variable with plus 3y and minus 3y. It will be get cancelled and remaining 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x and 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. So 7x is equal to 21, x is equal to 21 upon 7, which is 3. Now put these values of x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 5x plus 3y. X is 3. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. We have to calculate the value of y. So 15. 5 into 3, 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. 15 is subtracted from 9 and get minus 6. So 3y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 2. So the answer is 3 comma minus 2. Now Uh, second problem, solve the following simultaneous equations. There are more simultaneous equations in example number 2, question number 2. There are 8 simultaneous equations we have to solve. So we will solve it one by one. So first example, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 is our first equation. Then a plus 5b is equal to 22 is our second example. Then we will subtract the second equation from 1. Why we are subtracting? Because we have to cancel out one of the variables a or b. We have to subtract equation 2 from 1, so that 5b will be cancelled with the 5b. So after subtracting, 3a minus a is equal to 2a. 5b minus 5b is 0. 26 minus 22 is 4. So a is equal to 2. Then we can calculate the value of b after putting the value of a is equal to 2. Okay, putting the value of a is equal to 2 in equation number 2. What is equation number 2 is a plus 5b. So put these values, a is equal to 2 in this equation, and calculate the value of b. B is equal to 20 upon 5 is equal to 4. Thus a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4 is our solution. Okay, equation number example number 2, x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay, again what we can do is we can see here x has a coefficient 3 and equation number 1 x has a coefficient 1. Okay, here is coefficient 1 and here is coefficient 3. So if we want to cancel out the x, we can multiply equation number 1 by 3. So we will do it here. 3x plus 3 into 7 21 y is equal to 10 into 3 30. This will be our third equation, and our second equation will be right as it is, and then we will subtract them. After subtracting, 3x minus 3x should be 0. 21 minus 2y, 21 minus 2y will be get added. Okay, then it will be 23y, and 30 plus 7, sorry, 30 minus 7 23. Y is equal to 1. 23 get cancelled, y is equal to 1. Putting the values of y in equation number 4. Put the value in any of the given equation and you will get the value of x. So thus the value of x and y is equal to 3 and 1. This is the elimination method we can use to calculate. This is example number 3. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. Okay, subtracting equation 2 from 1. Why we are direct subtracting? Because we have already same coefficient. If we have same coefficient like this in the example, x has a 2, and also in this equation x has a 2 coefficient, so we can directly subtract them. If we subtract them, this will be get cancelled. Minus 3y minus y, minus 3y minus y is minus 4y, and what is that right side? 9 minus 13 minus 4, minus minus will be cancelled, y is equal to 1. Then put these values in again one of these equations and you will get the answer of x, and then write the answering x comma y ordered pair is 6 comma 1. Example number 4. Example number 4 is 5m minus 3 and is equal to 19 is our first equation. Then our second equation is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Okay, then what we can do is get the coefficients same and then subtract. So if we can see here, here is a 3n and here is a 6n. So we can multiply 3n by 2 to get the 6n. So we will do it. Multiply equation number 1 with 2, we get 10m, 5 into 2 10m, minus 3 into 2 minus 6n is equal to 19 into 2 38. And equation number 2 we will write as it is. Then if the coefficient terms are same, then we can subtract them to cancel it out. If we subtract them, 10 minus m is 9m, 10 minus m is directly 9m, 6n will be cancelled with the 6n. Okay, and 38 minus minus 7, 38 minus 7, this minus and minus will be positive. Then 38 plus 7, 45. 9m is equal to 45, m is equal to 45 upon 9. So m is equal to 5. Now put the value of m in equation 2. 5 minus 6n is equal to 7. M is equal to 5. Then 5 will be 5 minus 6n is equal to 7. Then calculate the n. 5 is positive here. It will be get negative on the other side. Basically what we do is we keep the thing we have to calculate on other side and get the other than the determined variable on the other side. Okay, so we will keep n on one side, and other than n things will be right hand side. So starting from here we will get the 5 First, 5 is positive, we will get here negative. Then minus 6 will be divided to the minus 12, and we will get the value of n is equal to 2. Okay. Example number 5. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, and second equation is x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now we can see here is a coefficient of x 5 and coefficient of x is 1. So if you want to cancel out any of these variable, what we can do is we will multiply this equation with 5 so that it becomes 5x, and also here is 5x, so we can subtract them to cancel them out. So multiply equation number 2 with 5. What we get is 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Then subtracting the equation number 3, which is we just got after multiplying from 1. Okay, so that 5x minus 5x will be 0. Then plus 2y minus 25y, plus 2y minus 25y is minus 23y, plus 2y minus 25y, plus 2y minus 25y, which there is a subtraction between 25 minus 2 23 and the sign of bigger number. So minus 3, on the other hand, minus 3, which is from equation number 1, minus, because we are subtracting, and 20 from equation number 3. So it is also minus 23. Minus 23 minus 23 will be cancelled. Y is equal to 1. Then put the value of y in equation number 2, which is x plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 5y, y is value 1, is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 5 into 1, 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to, this positive y will be get negative on the other side. So x is equal to minus 1. X and y we can write as minus 1 and 1. You should be writing this in a ordered pair, means you should be write the value of x first, then you should be write value of y second. Let's get in the next example, equation number 6. Example number 6. So from them, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 by 3, and 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. So what we can do here is we will multiply the equation number 1 with 3 and equation number 4, equation number 2 with 4, because we have these fractional values as the coefficient. We have to cancel them out. So how to cancel 1 by 3? You should multiply 1 by 3 with 3, right? If you want to cancel out these 1 by 3, you have to multiply them with the 3. So that we will multiply equation number 1 with 3, and we have to cancel out this 1 by 4. So we will multiply equation number 2 with 4. So we will doing here multiply equation number 1 with 3 and equation number 2 with 4. After multiplying, what we get is x, which is 1 by 3 into 3, 1. So that coefficient of x is 1 now. Then multiplying y with the 3, 3y. Multiplying these constant with the 3, 10. 3 will be cancelled. Then equation number 2, we are multiplying it by 4. So 2x into 4 is 8x, plus 1 by 4 into 4, 1. So only y is equal to 11 by 4 into 4 is 4 will get cancelled, and 11 is the answer. Then multiply equation 4 with the 3. Why we are multiplying? Now we can see x is x plus 3y and 8x plus y. We can get this y into 3y. So we will multiply this equation with 3, so that we can get this coefficient of y 3, so that we can cancel out them by simple subtracting. Multiplying with the 3, 24x plus 3y is equal to 11 into 3, 33. Now we will subtract it from equation number 3. Our equation number 5 will be subtract from equation number 3. So x minus 24, x minus 24x is minus 23x. Okay, x minus 24x is minus 23x is equal to 3y will be cancelled, and on the right hand side 10 minus 33, 10 minus 33 is minus 23, then x is equal to 1. Okay, minus 23 minus 23 will be cancelled. Then put the value of x in any of this equation. We are putting it here in equation number 3. What is equation number 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 1, 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 1 will be get cancelled, sorry, get subtracted from 10, and it will get 9. Y is equal to 9 by 3. 3y will be divided by 3 will be divided by 9 on other side, and we will get the answer y is equal to 3. So this is the example number 6. Now we will get example number 7. Example number 7 is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99 is equal to 501. So when these types of example comes in where there are relatively large numbers, we can observe them carefully and use a simple trick. We can do what we can do is we can add them and subtract them on both simultaneously, so that we can get simpler equations. So, look here, if we add them 99x plus 99x plus 101x is 200, right? So we are getting 200x. Then 101y plus 99y is also 200y. Then here for 99 plus 501 is 1000. So what we got is 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Now we are dividing them all by 200. If we divide this equation by 200, what we got is x only. 200 by 200 is 1. 200 by 200 is 1. So x plus y, and 1000 upon 200 is 5. So we get simpler equation. Similarly, if we subtract them 99x minus 10x 99x minus 10x is 2x plus 101y minus 99y is also plus 2y, and 499 minus 501 is minus 2y. We have to be careful with the signs we are calculating, because when we are subtracting the bigger number from some smaller number, the sign of bigger number, which is negative, should come in the play. Okay, we have to be careful with the computation. So minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2y. Then we will divide it by 2. So x minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So we have got the new equation. Equation number 3 is x plus y is equal to 5, and minus x plus y is equal to 1. Now these are comparatively smaller size equation, then we can solve easily. We can just add them. We can see here x has a coefficient 1, and here x has a coefficient minus 1. So we can simply add to cancel it out. If we are adding equation number 3 and 4, we will see x will be cancelled, and y will be get 2y, and 5 plus minus y, sorry, 1 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 upon 2. So putting the values in any of these equation, x plus 2 is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. So x and y has a value 3 and 2. Equation number 8, sorry, example number 8 is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. and 57 plus sorry minus 49y is equal to 252. So there is a similar type of example we just have seen. We do both the operation of adding and subtracting. Firstly, we are doing adding here. So after adding, what we got is 49 plus 57 is 10x. Okay, 106x. Then 57 minus 49y. 57 plus 49y is also 106y. And on the other hand, 172 plus 257 is 424. Then divide it by 106. When we divide the whole equation by 106 is x minus y is equal to 424 upon 106 is 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. We got the simpler equation. Similarly, after subtracting, we will also get the simpler equation. Let's see, 49x minus 57x, which is minus 8x. 50 minus 57y minus 49y. 57 minus 57y minus 49y. Minus minus will be get positive here. So minus 57y plus 49y is minus 8y. And 172 minus 250 is also minus 80. Then we will divide them all by minus 8. So we can get here is x plus y is equal to 10. This is a simpler equation we got. Then we can observe here equation number 3. It is a coefficient of y is minus 1 and coefficient of y is plus 1. So we can just add them to get the cancelled up. So x minus y is equal to 4 will be added into x plus y is equal to 10. Then we will get the answer x is equal to 7. Putting the values in any of these equations, we will get the answer y is equal to 3. So these are the examples from practice set 1.1, and we can solve other simultaneous equations with this elimination method also. You should be practicing it by yourself so that you can get these mathematical computations very easily. And we will see the next practice set in our next video. Thank you very much.